Thank you. I would like at this point to invite Dr. Rajan Sharma, President of the Indian Medical Association.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you so much for your informative talk. And I could gather a lot of things. So I begin my address with acknowledging the presence of Ms. Natasha Zangin. I hope I spelled the names right. Mr. Rajiv Chipper, Jackie Obadia, Talat Telpazur, Eyal Baum, Nimrod Bar, Ella Friedman, Mr. Gopalan, Mr. Tejinder Singh, and Hari Krishnan. I hope I have not missed anyone. To begin with, India and Israel have been actively medical associations. Incidentally, we have the same short names. IMA means Indian Medical Association and IMA means Israel Medical Association. So, keeping that in mind, we are very closely working in WMA, the World Medical Association. And recently in pre-COVID era, we had 2 frequent visits by the past president of Israel Medical Association, Dr. Leonard Eidelman. And we have been working closely with each other. As in the current COVID era and post-COVID era, healthcare is in for a big boost and in for a big level infrastructure. Going into the background of Indian Medical Association represents 3.5 lakh doctors across the country. By doctors, I mean the single and couple doctor setups across the country, which have been running the most affordable neighborhood healthcare facilities and sharing the burden of 70% of the healthcare needs of the entire country, working in shoulder to shoulder with the government setups, and also into the community related projects, whether it is the NTB project, whether it is the vaccination projects. This setup is now in for a big change, especially with the inclusion of healthcare into the MSME. And we need to improvise, we need to be concerned about our safety, and the healthcare will see a paradigm shift as far as the healthcare is concerned in the country, whether it is equipments, which is the mainstay. We are getting equipment. It's not that we are backward or something like that. But yes, we have to channelize the equipment according to the concerns of the country and keeping in mind the bilateral relationship. Your setups are more institutionalized, big setups. But yes, India still has to learn a lot of things from you in disaster management and other mass casualties, and especially in the COVID crisis, how to handle things. Because this will need a big level of exchange at both nursing home level, where we in the smallest of the town is exposed to the level of healthcare being provided there. Exhibitions give us a glimpse of equipments. By the time we come back, it is the market economy which takes over other issues. So in this, rather than organizing this thing, I think Israeli consulate, since you will be coming and joining soon, the consulate should facilitate this. Medical knowledge, another field where we can cooperate fully is exchange of courses. See, India is such a diverse country, community related projects and other challenges of communicable diseases, which are going to be the mainstay in the coming times. India, by the end of this COVID era, will have the largest knowledge bank on COVID, vaccination, its trials and management protocols. If all my people, my friends who are there in the Indian management will concern, they can do such things. India IMA has got some academic wings of for general practitioners, which can we run successful courses to reorient our doctors across the country through these courses. On a mutually sharing basis, we can recognize your courses and you can recognize our courses, or both the IMAs, Israel and Indian Medical Association, and you can enter into a bilateral agreement so that these medical associations can have mutual exchanges, first virtually and then later on as the times take over. India needs to medically improve, definitely, and we could definitely learn a lot of things from your improved technology, your technology and your technological improvisations, especially in many areas like water, agriculture, dairy farming, and security, both real time and cyber and electronic surveillance. It is time for mutual learning. We learn from you, you learn from us, and we have a long term, gradually sustainable, mutually respectable relationship to help each other. Thank you so much.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, Dr.